Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the YouTube embed code on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to embed a YouTube video on a website using your phone, you can do it from a mobile browser. Now, the YouTube app doesn't provide the embed option, unfortunately, at this point in time. So go ahead and open up any web browser. Go to YouTube and open up that video that you'd like to embed. So I'm just going to come on over here. Just going to pick a random video for this demonstration. Just going to pause that video. Now, basically, we need to click onto desktop site. So if you haven't done that, click on the three dots. Make sure desktop site is selected. Now, come back to the video. Click on the share button. And now we can see here we've got the embed. So that's the embed here. So we can control or copy this, and then paste that code into your website, blog, or HTML editor where you want the video to appear.